Hey guys, Mason here. Okay, I forgot to start the video when it first started, but I'm eating an MRE. I got my box cooking out there. That's my first time eating an MRE. There's the tortilla. I'm having a meatball sub. Oh, can I try one of those cookies?
Chocolate cookies.
My dad, he's eating one too. My dad ate one before because he used to be in the military.
Look at that, cheese rolls.
I'm gonna put cooking on.
Cheese rolls.
I got gum and coffee,
Oh,
which
you
I'm
are
not
eating
gonna
your gum.
make. I'm not.
Oh.
I ate a cookie. Then I got peanuts. I already ate them. I'm not gonna eat anymore because I'm a kid. My dad said I could get sick if I eat too much. Oh yeah, MRE. So I always wanted to eat one. You think it's finished?
No.
No? Oh, okay. That's mine right there. Oh, he's taking a look at it. Hey, Piper. Dominic, I'm not showing you in the video. I don't know. He doesn't like me in the video.
I don't know. I'm gonna be fucking hunted down and fucking raped by a fucking rapist.
What?
I don't want to be fucking raped by a rapist that likes to hunt people down.
Okay, guys. Yeah, MRE. I don't know what to say or anything, but this stuff, it's really gonna be good, I hope. I want to try a Russian MRE, to be honest. I want to try, like, a lot of MREs. Like a Russian one, a Chinese one, World War II one.
Try Texas.
Or no, I'm sure the Texas MREs are the same.
No, I actually can't. I'm trying to think of it. There's some type of meat that Texas makes. It takes like a day.
Oh, and sometimes in the MREs they have cigarettes, but this one doesn't. I guess I'm glad, because well, if they did, I'm sure my dad will just take it, because he's taking the smoke right now. But yeah.
You got candy.
Well, this is Dada's, and this is his too. I got penis. I'm just eating some of his cookies. Then I got this. I got this First Strike something nutrition energy bar, which I'm gonna eat. Oh yeah. This is cheese spread, the tortilla, gum, coffee, the moist pellet. I don't know what that is in there. The big one right there. But yeah. Dominic, you wanna be in the video now?
No.
Yeah, this is backside. That's his back. Don't worry, Dominic, with your back. I also got some fruit punch. I mean, I already made it, but because I forgot to start the video because I was too excited. No, the pizza you're gonna make, it's gonna take a while.
It might take 12 minutes.
Well, you don't have to wait in here.
Yes, I can.
Dominic, you're not in the video. It's facing at me.
Fuck yourself.
Yeah. Cookies. Peanuts. Yeah. These peanuts are really good. My dad's gonna use these spoons for work. Oh yeah, he got these MREs from the prison. His friend gave them there. He got some whole another box of them still. Like, he has like 5 left, I think. I don't know, they're in this. They're in this box right here. Oh, you can't see. Crap. They're in that box. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited, though. I never ate an MRE before. Have you, Dominic? I'm just saying, how long does it like usually take?
Well, you want to allow it enough time to heat.
Yeah, I know, but like you're saying,
Try these here.
No.
probably not good. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing of that because my dad said it has too much fiber in it, calories, and I don't want to like you said, it could make me fat, right?
Good.
Could, but I don't want to get that fat.
And you're
You
not
got
active.
candy.
You're not active enough. That's a biscuit.
No, there. You're looking at.
And you're not active enough.
So yeah,
You got Tootsie Rolls.
well, what is that right here? What's that? Oh, you got some crackers.
I got the bean fraser.
My dad had experience with this stuff. When you ate one, last time, like, when you ate one, was in the military, and then, like, did it look something like this?
These are a little bit better than what I had. Although, what's missing?
Is it a cigarette?
No. What's missing is the
Cigars.
hot sauce.
The hot
Just to put
sauce?
in there.
Oh, they used to put hot sauce. Oh. Ooh, is that peanut butter?
Oh, it's cheese spread, so
Oh, that's cheese spread. I thought it looks like peanut butter. I don't have crackers. Yeah, can I try one? Just drop Tootsie Roll.
you want to try one?
No, I don't know. Tootsie Roll.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Right, Daddy?
Hmm?
Can I have this Tootsie Roll?
Sure.
Yay.
Could I have that Tootsie Roll?
Sure.
Hey. I got Tootsie Roll.
Do you want a piece of mine, though?
Tootsie Roll.
Well, can't wait for the main meal. Just sitting out there. What's this?
Nothing.
Oh, what's this back here? Behind the moist palette.
That's creamer.
Ah,
For coffee.
well, I already have creamer for coffee, but I don't think I'm going to try that coffee. Plus, I already had my coffee today. Man, oh, stuffy nose. That's mine. That's my moist palette. That's my gum. You can keep the coffee. Okay, I guess it's my coffee.
Splenda, which is a sugar substitute.
Okay, and then that's
Salt.
salt.
And
then
your napkin.
and my napkin. Okay. Well, I'm pretty excited. Did you already eat that Tootsie Roll? I guess he did.
You open this up.
Wait, what's
the
that?
water to right here.
Wait, what is that?
Zip it up and shake it up. It's
Oh.
cocoa.
Oh, it's cocoa. Oh, you got hot cocoa. Oh. I'm in the with that cocoa. So these things, from already eating the snacks and stuff like that, I have a good feeling about the main meal.
Okay, before you open it, turn it off or look at it
I
first.
did.
Put it that way.
No, this is the one we used to take it out.
See, look. What do you mean you don't want to cut?
No.
Well, why are you dirtying out that whole big old giant pig?
You didn't turn it off. You're wasting this. Put it away.
I used one yesterday.